Have you ever dreamed of living for free? What if you could wake up every morning knowing that your biggest monthly bill, your rent or mortgage, wasn't something you had to worry about anymore? For most people, housing is the single largest expense in their budget, eating up a huge portion of their paycheck every month. Imagine your housing cost, that giant chunk of your paycheck just disappearing. Suddenly you have more money for travel, hobbies, or saving for your future. It sounds like a fantasy, but for thousands of people, it's a reality. This isn't a fantasy, it's called house hacking, and it's a real strategy thousands use to build wealth. House hacking is a creative approach to homeownership that's changing lives and helping people reach their financial goals faster than ever before. House hacking means turning your biggest expense, your home, into an income-producing asset. Instead of just paying to live somewhere, you make your home work for you, generating cash flow and building equity at the same time. You live in your investment and have others help pay for it. By sharing your space, you're not just saving money, you're actually making money. Picture your home. You live in one part and rent out the rest. Maybe a spare bedroom, a basement, or a separate unit. It could be as simple as having a roommate, or as involved as owning a multi-unit property and renting out each apartment. Their rent goes straight toward your mortgage. Every month, your tenants are helping you pay down your loan, building your wealth while reducing your expenses. In the best case, the rent covers your entire payment, maybe even more. That means you could live for free or even pocket extra cash each month to use however you want. This isn't just for seasoned investors, it's the perfect entry point for beginners. Even if you've never owned property before, house hacking is a smart way to get started in real estate. You get hands-on experience managing a property while living in it. You'll learn valuable skills, from basic maintenance to handling rent payments and building relationships with tenants. It's a life cheat code. Most people pay a mortgage for decades, but house hackers flip the script. They take control of their finances and accelerate their path to wealth. They build equity faster, reduce expenses, and create passive income from day one. Over time, this can open doors to even more opportunities, like buying additional properties or reaching financial independence sooner. It's not about being cheap, it's about being smart. House hacking is a strategy for people who want to make the most of their resources and take charge of their financial future. Make your money work for you, not the other way around. Let your home become a tool for building wealth, not just a place to live. This single decision can put you on the fast track to financial freedom. Imagine reaching your goals years ahead of schedule, all because you chose to house hack. House hacking gives you options and opportunities you never thought possible. It's a powerful way to take control of your life, your money, and your future. House hacking gives you two superpowers, saving and earning. Most people spend 30 to 50% of their income on housing. Imagine cutting that in half, or eliminating it. When tenants' rent covers your mortgage, your own cost shrinks. That money can now be saved, invested, or used to pay off debt. For example, if your mortgage is $2,000 and you collect $1,500 in rent, you're only paying $500 a month. That's $18,000 a year you can use to build wealth. This puts house hackers years ahead of their peers. Now let's talk earning. Sometimes you can make a profit. If your rent collected exceeds your mortgage, you're living for free and generating cash flow. Your house becomes a small business that pays you. This passive income can give you a safety net and more freedom. While others' rent disappears, you're building equity and wealth. House hacking is a financial grand slam that starts with one smart move. House hacking isn't one size fits all, it's a menu of options. The simplest method? Buy a house with extra bedrooms, live in one, and rent out the rest. Or try the ADU strategy. Buy a property with a separate rentable space like a basement apartment or converted garage. This gives you privacy and income. Want more? Try Airbnb hacking. Rent out a room or unit short-term for higher cash flow. It's more work, but the payoff can be huge. Or get creative. Rent by the room, offer RV storage, or live above a commercial space and rent out the storefront. The key is to see your home as a collection of income opportunities. Your creativity is the only limit. House hacking adapts to your lifestyle and market. There's a version for everyone. Pick the flavor that fits you best. The classic house hack is a time-tested strategy that's helped countless people get started in real estate. The idea is simple. Buy a small multifamily property, like a duplex, triplex, or fourplex, where you can live in one unit and rent out the others. By living in one unit and renting out the rest, you let your tenants' rent cover most, if not all, of your mortgage payment. This means you can dramatically reduce your own housing costs, sometimes even living for free. For example, imagine you buy a duplex with a $2,800 monthly mortgage. That might sound intimidating, but here's where the magic happens. If you rent out one unit for $1,600 a month, your out-of-pocket cost drops to just $1,200. That's a huge savings compared to renting or owning a single-family home on your own. With a fourplex, the numbers get even better. You might only pay a few $100s a month, or sometimes nothing at all, to live there, while your tenant's rent covers the rest. Multifamily house hacks offer a great balance of privacy and financial benefit. You get your own space, but you also get to enjoy the perks of being a landlord and investor. Plus, owner-occupied loans like FHA or VA make it easier to get started. These loans often require low down payments, sometimes as little as 3.5% or even zero down for qualified buyers. That means you can break into real estate investing with far less cash than you'd need for a traditional investment property, making it accessible for first-timers. Living next to your tenants makes property management much easier. You can keep an eye on things, respond quickly to issues, and build strong relationships with the people renting from you. You'll learn valuable skills like how to screen tenants, handle repairs, and manage your property, all while building equity and experience as a landlord. It's the perfect way to start your real estate journey, giving you a foundation to grow from small properties to larger investments over time. Every month, your tenants help pay down your loan, build your equity, and set you up for future investments, whether that's buying another property or expanding your portfolio. Multifamily house hacking is a proven path to wealth, offering both immediate savings and long-term financial growth for those willing to take the first step. Ready to start? Taking your first steps into house hacking can feel overwhelming, but breaking it down into simple actions makes it achievable for anyone. Here's how to take action and set yourself up for success from the very beginning. First, get your finances in order. Check your credit score and review your credit report for any errors or issues that could hold you back. Start saving for a down payment, no matter how small, and track your spending habits to see where you can cut back and save more. Build a dedicated house hack fund. This is your launchpad. Having money set aside will give you confidence and flexibility. Next, educate yourself. Read books, listen to podcasts, and soak up as much knowledge as you can about real estate and house hacking strategies. Learn your local market. Understand which neighborhoods are growing, where rental demand is high, and what types of properties are most popular. Know home prices, average rents, and what makes a good deal in your area. Compare listings and track trends over time. Learn to spot opportunities and recognize when a property is undervalued or has strong rental potential. Build your team. Find an investor-friendly real estate agent who understands your goals and can guide you through the process. Connect with a knowledgeable loan officer. Be upfront about your house hacking plans so they can recommend the best financing options. Explore owner-occupied loan options, which often have lower down payments and better rates for first-time buyers. Now start looking at properties with your agent. Analyze deals carefully. Estimate mortgage payments, potential rental income, and all expenses. Don't be afraid to make offers. Even if your first few don't get accepted, each attempt is a valuable learning experience. Stay persistent and keep refining your approach. Every rejection brings you closer to the right opportunity. You'll learn with each step. Be patient and persistent. The process takes time, but your efforts will pay off. Finding the right house hack isn't instant, but your patience will be rewarded with the perfect property for your goals. Every property you analyze, every offer you make, brings you one step closer to your goal of financial freedom. The journey will change your financial life. Take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Your future self will thank you for the courage and effort you put in today. House hacking starts with one bold step. Take yours and begin your journey to financial independence. Real stories show the power of house hacking. Sarah, a 25-year-old designer, bought a duplex after saving for 6 months. She lived in one unit, rented the other, and cut her housing cost from $1,500 to $800. She used her savings to pay off student loans and buy another property within 2 years. Mike and his wife wanted a family home but worried about the mortgage. They bought a 5-bedroom house, rented 2 basement rooms to students, and covered 60% of their mortgage. When Mike's wife stayed home with their baby, the house hack gave them financial peace. These aren't extraordinary people, just regular folks who took action. House hacking gave them freedom and options. Their stories can be yours too. House hacking isn't just about money, it's about growth. You gain real-world skills, finding deals, managing tenants, and handling property. These skills last a lifetime whether you buy one property or many. Lowering your housing cost reduces financial stress and brings peace of mind. Unexpected expenses become manageable, not disasters. House hacking accelerates your bigger goals: travel, business, early retirement. The money you save funds your dreams faster. You build confidence and resilience by overcoming challenges. You become more capable and resourceful. House hacking empowers you to create the life you want. House hacking isn't risk-free. You become a landlord, which means dealing with tenants and the occasional late-night call. Good communication and patience are essential. Don't underestimate expenses. Budget for vacancies, repairs, and big-ticket items. Set aside 5 to 10% of rental income for maintenance. Do your homework, analyze deals, get inspections, and know your neighborhood. Don't rush into a bad property, wait for the right deal. Be honest about your comfort with sharing space. Some loss of privacy is part of the deal. For many, the financial rewards outweigh the inconveniences. Being prepared is the key to success. House hacking works best when you know the risks and plan for them. House hacking can transform your financial future. It's not luck, it's a smart decision to see home ownership as an investment. This is about taking control of your financial destiny. The path isn't always easy, but the rewards are worth it. Start small. Talk to a friend, listen to a podcast, or track your expenses. Every step moves you closer to freedom. Thousands have done it before you. Just start. Don't let another year pass feeling stuck. The opportunity is right in front of you. Maybe it's a duplex or a spare room. Your future self will thank you for starting today. Your adventure to financial freedom begins with house hacking. Go get it.